Gruffydd sydd fi yw perchynog cwmni mêl Gwenyn Gruffydd. Ni'n ffarm mêl yn Dryslwyn yn Sir Gaerfyrddin, ond ni'n cadw gwenyn dros 3 sir, Ceredigion, Sir Benfro a Sir Gaerfyrddin. A cynhyrchu mêl yw'r part fwyaf o'n busnes ni, ond ni hefyd yn gwerthu gwenyn a offer cadw gwenyn hefyd. So ni'n 4 member o staff llawn amser yn Gwenyn Gruffydd. So dechreuais i yn 2010 gyda 2 cwch gwenyn fel hobi. Mae'n mlaen i nawr, rhwng y gwenyn ni'n cadw i cynhyrchu mêl a'r gwenyn ni'n cadw i werthu. Ni tuab 400 o cwchau dros y lle. Ond wnaethon ni mynd yn limited nôl yn 2019 a ers ni mae'r busnes wedi tyfu yn gloi iawn. So we've had to develop and adapt quite a bit really. So before we were a honey farm and we only sold honey, we didn't sell anything else. We bought a beeswax range and we started producing candles and beeswax food wraps to try and get a bit of the gift market. We went into doing hampers then as well. That worked out quite well. But we just saw with the seasons being hard in Wales, we weren't producing enough Welsh honey, so we needed to keep more bees. We took over another honey farm in Ceredigion last year to increase our numbers and gain different markets, producing honey in different counties. That's worked out quite well for us, and the diversification, I suppose, is in here where we started selling beekeeping equipment, and off the back of that we were able to get a customer base to buy bees. We started breeding bees and producing a few hundred beehives to sell on top of the honey we sell. So mae'r swyddi yma, sim un teip o swyddi gael yma, mae pawb goffwn ni popeth. So mae fi Andy ni'r gwynynwyr, ni'n carco'r gwenyn trwy'r haf a'r gwanwyn, wedyn ni'n tynnu'r mêl a ni sy'n jarro ac yn y blaen wedyn ni. So na beth yw ochr yn swydd ni. Mae Angharad Esill wedyn maen nhw'n gweithio ar y ffarm, nhw sy'n delio dy'r cwsmeriaid, leblo'r mêl ac jyst y paco ar parseli yn y post bob dydd.
So I'm Andy Stead and I work at Gwenyn Gruffydd as a bee farmer. So I started earlier this year, but I had come originally on a beekeeping course with Gwenyn Gruffydd about 2 years before. And so I'd experienced what it's like to work with the bees here and experienced what it might be like to be around the people here. And I really enjoyed it. When I saw the job advert, I applied straight away. So as apprentice bee farmer here at Gwenyn Gruffydd, I do a really wide range of things. I help manage all the bees and the health of the bees, I feed the bees, and manage the honey colonies and the nucleus colonies growing the bee stocks we have here. I also help with jarring honey, filtering honey, and working in the bee equipment side of the business as well.
The food and drink sector is huge in Wales. You look at Wales as a whole, we're a small country, not that high a population. People like Amazon and eBay and Facebook, they're not going to come here and produce thousands of jobs. It's very rural. So, it's places like this that are going to create the jobs, and food and drink is what Wales really produces better than anything else. We've got a great landscape, it's wild, there's a high volume of rain, the ground is very fertile. All that is excellent for producing good homegrown food, including honey.
I'd absolutely recommend an apprenticeship to others. It's a really good entry-level way to get into the industry. If you don't have massive experience, it's really good to get in, dip your toe in, and to learn lots of different areas of the industry, so you can work out where you want to go from there.
If I had my time back again from the start, I would have gone into food and drink from the get-go. I wouldn't have spent 12 years doing something else. So, I think just producing food, farming a product is so rewarding. The scope there for growth as well. People want good quality food. They care about the type of food they eat. So if anybody's thinking of going into food and drink, now is a better time than any other time I think there's ever been.